Yeah, hello. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my phone screen. Yeah, so crypto lord, as you all know me. Yeah, so today I'm here to teach you how you can do arbitrage, how you can search for arbitrage opportunities, and how you can utilize it. Yeah, so before I continue on today's episode, yeah, on the 29th of this month, doing the March edition of crypto masterclass, crypto arbitrage masterclass. Yeah, and the ticket is $25. Yeah, for the masterclass. Yeah, so you can get the ticket on my bio. But if you want to join my mentorship, that one is different. So you can chat me and be like, said, I want to join your mentorship, and you keep it rolling. Yeah. So I want to show you how you can search for arbitrage opportunities, what to look at, and everything. Yeah, I know some people miss my face, but I'll be doing some board tutorials very soon as well. Yeah, but let me go with this thing. So please pay attention and listen to me, and don't forget to leave a comment and like and share. Yeah. So we have several exchange platforms across the globe. So we don't depend on one or two platforms to do arbitrage. No, you have to get as many as exchange platform as you want. You see, yeah. So when you want to start the arbitrage, first of all, you have to open all the exchange apps that you have. You have to open all the exchange apps that you have. Yeah. So currently I've opened five exchange apps right now, and I'll be showing you how I search for opportunities and what I look at and the calculation and everything before we will continue. Yeah. And maybe I will take you to the board and we do some small calculation maybe. Yeah. So when I open my Binance wallet like this, and let's say here I'm searching for red. So red on Binance is 0.7433 USDT to get one red. So if I go to my BitGet, let me search for red. So over here, the red is also 0.7436. So it means that 0.7436, 0.7428, you see, it's like similar to that thing. Yeah, then I will open other my other like exchange platform and search for red as well. And here to the red is 0.7435, is similar, the same. Then I open another one again and search for red over here. So here I'll go and search for red here. So you have to know. And that's why I always tell you people that it's not easy. So here right here is 0.72. So comparing to these things, like this one is way lower. But with this one thing about Polo Next, you have to understand. Polo Next, at times they put these things over there, but people be saying that they buy and sell and it's decrease. No, before you initiate a trade on Polonex, make sure that you click on the buy and sell rate to know. So if I go to the buy here, you see that to buy red on Polonex is way higher, in 0.8. So comparing it to ATX and Polonex, ATX and BitGet and other things, 0.7. That one's way higher when you're buying it, and when you're selling it, it's 0.73. So it means that if I buy it over here and I go there to sell it, I'm making losses. So you have to know that one about Polonex. That one is different from all that platform. Yeah. So when I search for the red and it's not favorable for me. And one thing is, when you search for this platform, when you search for these coins and you see that okay, they are almost the same, don't do it. Go and search for another coins. The coins, you just have to enter random coins. So I can say, like, let me enter, let's say ZK. Okay, ZK over here on the BitGet is 0.0712. Okay, so I'll go to ATX to search for ZK, whether it's over there too. Okay, ZK over this one, Zach. I want ZK. ZK over here is 0.0885. 0.00085. So it means that I can buy it here and go and sell it over there. Yeah, but still, let me search for more opportunities and see. So I'll come here, ZK. Here too is what, 0.0708. So 0.0709 is the same. 0.00886. This higher. Then I'll go to Bybit and search for Bybit also and see. So Bybit, let me search here. ZK. Over here too is what, 0.07110. Yeah. So it means that I can buy it over here and sell it on the ATX. But before you will do it, so it means that you are buying it from that platform, that exchange, and you sell it over here. So you have to check their address. Listen to this very carefully. You have to check the address. So this address. So I have to check the address to receive this money. This one, I've logged my account out. I don't want to, I've logged my account out. So maybe they'll okay, let me look inside. So when I come to my accounts, so I'll click on deposit ZK and see. Have you seen it? Over here, the ZK is what, suspended. So it means that if you buy the money over there and you come here, you can't what, put the money here. So you have to know all these things. Don't say that, okay, yeah, this high, this low, so I have to do it. No. That's why I always say that you have to do more research or more calculations and more readings before you initiate a trade. So imagine you have spent some money to buy ZK on, let's say, Bybit or Binance, and you want to come and sell it over here, and the deposit method is suspended. You can't do it. Then you exchange that money back to USDT, they will deduct you something, so it will affect you. So you have to know all these things before you start trading. Just know all these things before you start trading. Yeah. So since it's not working, then you have to abolish that mission. You have to because you can't do it. Then you search for different coin. I said the coin, the coin, just enter anything. Then you compare the coins. You see, say JUP. Then you go to, let's say here, let me search for any coin over here. JUP. It's not easy. Searching for the coin opportunity is not easy, bro. Yeah, 0.51. 0.51 is the same. Let me go here. JUP 0.51 is the same. Then I go to Binance. JUP 0.513 is the same. Have you seen it? Yeah. So when you see that it's the same, so if you have, let's say, 10 exchanges, search everything, compare everything. After that, come and compare their address. So if their address is the same, then you're good to go. So example is let me search for some coin right here. Ray. Let me go to the Ray. So Ray over here. So if I want to withdraw or deposit free, deposit, you see it's Solana. So if I go to, let's say, Binance and search for, let's say, Ray over here, Ray over here, yeah, over here is 1.7, but you have to do further research before you do it. Yeah, then I have to buy it here and sell it over there. I'm doing this as an example for you to see using the address. So here I'll go to, after buying it, I want to send. So let's say Ray, I want to withdraw Ray from here. Ray, you see that it's Solana. You see that, and the fee is $0.9, let's say $1. You see it's Solana, and here too is Solana, so it means that it's the same. So if there's a arbitrage opportunity with these coins, you doing it is very easy because their address are the same, and you have checked their address fee, and you say that, okay, if I deduct this one from the profits I will be making, I'll still earn something small. Okay, I'm good with it. Then you also initiate it. Yeah, but there are some things that you have to look at. That one, if you join my mentorship or you join my class, you will know all these things. It's not just know that it's not everything that I will be here and say it for free, bro. Don't go this to the search for money. So it's not everything that I will say it for free. Yeah. So when you see this, there are some things that you also have to look at before you initiate the trade. And that one, you chat me, you talk about business, I will show you everything. Yeah. So this is how it is when you want to start arbitrage, and when you want to do arbitrage full course and everything. You want to do full trading, everything, you have to do it. And there are some things too you have to know that if you chat me, I will teach you everything. I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out.